Moroccan lentil salad is infused with garlic, tomatoes, and onions for a super flavorful, high protein dish. You're going to start in a warm skillet over medium-high heat with some olive oil and minced garlic. We're going to saute this garlic until it becomes fragrant and just begins to brown. Once that happens, you'll add in your grated onion and your salt and pepper, a bit of red pepper flakes, and a bit of paprika. You're going to want to stir this over that medium heat, and it's going to create this really beautiful red paste. It almost resembles a curry paste. Just look at that color. Next goes in our grated Roma tomatoes. I really love using grated tomatoes and onions. I just feel like the flavor infuses so much quicker. All right, next our lentils are going in and a few cups of water. Stir this well so everything gets evenly combined. Bring to a simmer, cover it, lower, and cook until the lentils are fully cooked through. At this point, you're going to want to uncover it, stir it quickly, and add in your tomato paste. Now, this is a trick from my aunt in Morocco. She uses the tomato paste at the end because it really amps up that tomato flavor and gives the dish some nice acidity. I'm going to add a little bit more water at this point just to make sure the lentils don't get too dry. Mix until everything's evenly incorporated once again, and then you're ready to serve. I like to top mine with a bit of minced parsley, some flaky Maldon salt, and a sprinkle of that paprika. And that's it. I love having this as a side dish with red meat or seafood, but it's perfect on its own, just like this.